Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epify. So I'm back with another video where I will be teaching you how to Shazam on different app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up settings app on your device. So now I am using iPhone device. Tap on it, it will navigate you to this interface. Here tap on control center. So here scroll down until you find music recognition, tap on it and it will now show on included controls list. So when you swipe down, you will see Shazam icon. In order to turn on, you can simply tap on it and it will turn on. If you tap on it, it will turn off. And when it will open, it will show you this kind of interface. Here it will show you a list of the music that it has been detected before. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.